Now, as you can see here, I will explain how to create an AI storyboard for your video using the CapCut app right on your phone. Let's get started. First, you need to write a script or simply ask your GPT chat to create one for you. This will serve as the foundation for your project, ensuring clarity and direction. Next, you must create a visual for each scene to enhance storytelling and engage your audience effectively. In your CapCut app, there is a fantastic feature called Text to Image, which allows you to create unique visuals for your scenes effectively. Here, as you can see, you can create various unique images for each of your scenes to enhance storytelling. Now, let's move to the first scene, where we will talk about some fascinating animals together. Here, you will write a prompt about animals. Create an image for me that features various animals and make sure to describe their characteristics vividly and engagingly. Or you can simply enter the GPT chat and ask it for help, as you see. Or simply find a prompt here if this image suits your needs perfectly, as you can see right here. For example, regarding space, as you can see here, simply add this prompt, click Generate, and you'll have an amazing image ready in no time, just like that. And after that, you need to add voiceover here, which is done very simply, as you can see, making it easy to follow along. Simply enter this section, carefully add your images, then click on the text option. After that, proceed to add your text, making it all come together perfectly. You add various text, then click Done, and after that you simply press Text to Ship. As you can see here, very easy. Here you can choose any voice you like that will perfectly narrate your video, making it engaging and enjoyable for viewers. And that's basically everything. There's truly nothing more to add. Thank you all for watching. Wishing you good luck, and goodbye.